How can pandas group data by time? Daily, weekly, monthly? Imagine you have a bunch of sales data and want to see how sales change over different periods. Maybe you want to see daily totals, weekly trends, or monthly summaries. Pandas, a popular Python library, makes this super easy. It's like having a powerful tool to organize your data by time intervals without breaking a sweat. First, you need to make sure your date or time information is in a proper format. If it's just text, you can convert it to a datetime object using pdtodatetime. This step is important because pandas can then recognize and work with the dates correctly. Once your date column is in datetime format, you can start grouping the data by different time frames. One of the best ways to group data by time is using the groupBy function combined with pd grouper. The pd grouper class lets you specify the column to group by and the frequency you want. For example, if you want to group by month, you set freq is equal to m. For weekly data, you use freq is equal to w, and for daily, its freq is equal to d. Here's a quick example. If you have a data frame called df with a date column called date, you can write df, groupb, pd, grouper, key is equal to date, freq is equal to m, sum. This will give you the total sales for each month. Frequency strings are simple codes that tell pandas how to group the data. Besides daily, weekly, and monthly, you can also use hours with h, minutes with t or min, or even 2-week periods with 2w. You can customize these further if needed. For example, grouping every 3 months uses 3m. Another way to group data by time is using the dt accessor. This allows you to extract parts of the date, like the day, week number, or month. For example, if you want to group by the day of the month, you can write df, groupb df date, dt day, sum. To group by week number, use df date, dt isocalendar, week. For months, you can use df date, dt, month. This method is handy when you want to analyze specific parts of the date rather than full intervals. After grouping, you usually want to apply an aggregation function like sum, mean, or count to get a clear picture of your data. For example, summing sales, averaging temperatures, or counting entries. This step helps you see patterns and trends over time. Let's say you have a data frame with sales data and a date column. You could write code like this. Monthly sales is equal to df, groupb, pd, grouper, key is equal to date, freq is equal to m, sum. This will give you total sales for each month. It's a straightforward way to turn raw data into meaningful summaries. Grouping data by time is a key part of data analysis. It helps you reduce the complexity of large datasets and spot important trends. Using groupby with pd, grouper, or the dt accessor makes this process simple and flexible. Whether you want daily, weekly, or monthly summaries, Pandas has the tools to do it efficiently. This approach is essential for anyone working with time series data in Python.